Hi, third graders. I'm really impressed with the work you did yesterday on Box Office Day 1, and now we're moving forward on to Box Office Day 2. So just a reminder that your math goal of this week is that students will compare fractions using fraction circles and area models. So let's take a look at our goal of Box Office Day 2 and then go from there. So the goal of today is that students will be able to recognize that comparisons are valid only when two fractions refer to the same whole. So we're going to talk a little more about that in today's video, and I think you'll remember this problem from Unit 5 when we were just introducing ourselves to fractions. So here we have two pizzas. Quan ate 1/4 of this pizza and Aiden ate 1/4 of this pizza. So I broke this pizza into fourths, 4 equal pieces, and Quan ate this piece right here. Okay, now let's take a look at Aiden's pizza. I broke this into 4 equal pieces and Aiden ate this fourth of his pizza, 1/4. Now, who got the bigger piece, Quan or Aiden? Good, Aiden got the bigger piece because his whole was way bigger. I don't know about you, but if I were Quan, I would be pretty upset that Aiden got a bigger piece of pizza than me. So because these two wholes are different sizes, these fractions cannot be compared. We cannot say that Quan ate 1/4 of this pizza is equal to Aiden eating 1/4 of this pizza because these wholes are not the same size. So even though they both ate 1/4, it's not the same size piece. Therefore, we cannot compare fractions that do not have the same whole. Now let's take a look at these two pizzas, Lara and Nicole. Lara's pizza is broken into 2 pieces and Nicole's pizza is broken into 4 pieces. Lara ate 1 piece of her pizza, which is right here. Nicole ate 2 pieces of her pizza, right here. So they both ate 1/2 of their pie, or 2/4. Remember that those are equivalent fractions. And we can compare those fractions because why? Why can we compare Lara and Nicole's pizzas but not Quan and Aiden's? Good, you should have said that Lara's and Nicole's pizzas are the same size. The wholes are the same, therefore we can compare the amount that Lara and Nicole ate. But we cannot compare how much Quan and Aiden ate to each other because they have different sized wholes. Let's take a look at your assignment for today. Your manager decides to screen 2 of the movies in some additional small theaters at Royal Cinemas. For the second screening of Triple Glory, 5/8 of the seats in the 200-seat amphitheater-style theater were filled, and 7/8 of the seats in the 100-seat old-style theater were filled. For the second screening of A Boy's Life, 5/8 of the seats in the 200-seat amphitheater-style theater were filled, and 5/8 of the seats in the 100-seat old-style theater were filled. Your manager quickly states that clearly the old-style theaters are more popular. So you're thinking and focusing on 2 questions today. A, how many seats are available in each theater? Don't think too much into this question. It's stated right in the key information. It's just asking how many seats are in each theater. And secondly, question B, can you compare the popularity of the theaters by looking at the fraction of seats filled? Why or why not? Think back to the pizzas that we were talking about. Think back to the sizes of the wholes and think, can you compare the popularity by looking at the fraction of the seats filled? Why or why not? Good luck!